Hi, my name is Renan. What is your name?
Hi, my name is Camila.
Nice to meet you, Camila. How are you?
I'm fine too. And you?
Very well, thank you. Where are you from?
I am from Peru.
And are you from Arequipa?
Yes, I am. And you?
No, I am not.
So where are you from?
I am from the city of Cusco.
Oh, what a nice place.
Yeah. How old are you, Camila?
I am 17 years old. And you?
I am 24 years old.
Okay, these your headphones?
Yes, it is.
What color are your headphones?
They are black, and it is my favorite color. Do you like them?
Yes, I do.
Camila, what is your cell phone number?
My phone number is 9667 499 911.
Okay, thank you. Have a good day, Camila. Bye.
Goodbye, Rena.